kumshi benta ban rakhi kasngi World Kidney Day hene kasngi kinong tray juga Woodland Hospital Shillong bat ke school Oscar M Memorial Secondary School la usep lom batengan nong thamai kira penlong da kajinya rally kabara sedang na phalau juga Woodland Hospital Shillong Shadow Civil Hospital Shillong bana Civil Hospital Shillong Shadow Woodland Hospital Shillong. Hadian kani kajinya rally radon ka program lingkon haka bala ai jingkran haka ni kajinya lang dai Dr. Indawan Kiulin Kharbuli jong ka Department Nephrologist ibala batai bakani ka jingpang Khyllai kadi ka jingpang ka bala ban sumar lada kibriu ki shimkhia ban sumar haka por ka Biang.
Number 1 kadei ba fidei ban kunduna ya ka bam ki kunduna bam no bar ka bam shini ik badan diabetes di ban control ya ka sugar jong ki but badan pressure kin ha control ha ya ka blood pressure jong ki Kidaiban di umba, especially kinong balasni, driver taxi, but kinong lum, bun kim di saw something ta, jukin ta kim di jika tu kasmi umba. Kada kis liang haka tu kapor kim daiban di daga saw. So that is one thing. Our little she's ni daiban di umba.
And to create an awareness amongst the people regarding kidney disease. Many people are unaware that they have a kidney problem, and they should come forward and check the kidney status at least after the age of 30 once, and every 6 months or yearly they should come. And especially the most common causes are diabetes, hypertension, stone disease, or a genetic history. If there's a family history of a kidney disease, then it's like you can get the disease from your family members. One is the progression of the disease, and another is the development of the disease itself also. So many times we don't know how much is the creatinine level. They come at a late stage, and we have to give them dialysis. So that is a very difficult thing to do, and most patients, how long can they stay on the dialysis?